Hi, my name is Wade Hanks with Wake Up Now. I'm going to show you how to create real residual income and save hundreds of dollars a month with our revolutionary savings program. At Wake Up Now, our strategy is threefold. We show you how to save money, we teach you how to manage money, and we empower you to make money. Saving money with our program is easy. First off, you can take up to 22% off your cell phone bill, and that works on existing numbers and contracts. You don't see that every day. We also offer huge savings on groceries. Our online mall with a generous cashback system lets you save money at places you already shop, like Target, Bass Pro, Aeropostale, Home Depot, and many more. Get access to the most user-friendly personal finance management software and training to effectively track your income and budget. Tax deduction management software and training, making sure you're only paying your fair share. Huge savings on travel, insurance, and many, many more. Our program has so many ways to save, with the products themselves making the membership a huge value to our customers and an easy sale for those of you looking to generate a healthy income working from home. Our program can literally save the average family $200 to $300 a month just in savings. You want to go out tonight? We have savings on entertainment. Dinner? We have that too. Almost everything you are buying now, our program can save you money on. Sounds great, right? Well, it gets better. I'm going to show you how this same program that is saving so many people so much money can be used to bring in a side income, supplement a full income, and even become a full-time rewarding career with a six-figure income. The best part is you can start making real money within just a few weeks. Once you enroll, you'll start experiencing the huge savings I'm talking about. And if you're saving money, then it will be easy to share this program with at least 3 friends, right? Noting that you can start building residual income off your first referral. But life-changing money comes from maximizing the power of 3 and duplicating that process again and again. At Wake Up Now, we have the attitude of, it's my goal to help you succeed. And once I show you the payout structure, you'll see why we have that attitude and why it is creating so much wealth and success. Once you enroll 3 friends, your goal is to duplicate your success and help your team get 3 friends as well. The best part is you'll get paid to do so. You make money by being a resource to ensure your friends and network are strong and successful, creating an energetic environment for your expanding network. Within a few weeks, you could be making $1,000 a month for first, saving money on the things you're already buying, second, sharing this money-saving system with your friends and associates, and third, teaching others to take control of their finances. The best part about this program is the retail product itself is more valuable than the membership price. Here's an example. If I gave you $300 a month and only asked for $100 in return, that would be a wealth-generating system you would want to be a part of month after month, year after year. That's how powerful the product side of this program is. Compound that with the business opportunity of this program, and you are plugged into a money-making system with huge six-figure annual income potential just for sharing a savings plan with people who, like you, want to save money. With a focused effort, this opportunity will lead to life-changing financial freedom. So what's that worth to you? Let's do a little math. Say you bring in 3 people and help each of them bring in 3. That's 12 people and $1,000 a month residual income. Interested? Get with the person that sent you this video and start saving money today.